Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see about water cycle, grade 3 EVS. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the terms evaporation, condensation, precipitation and water cycle. Introduction. When you drink water, have you thought about one thing? That the water you're drinking is the same water which 4 billion years ago humans drank. As we all know, Earth is covered with 70% of water, and this water is used and reused by humans. And let us see how this happens. The sun heats up the water in the water bodies. The water rises up in the form of water vapor and forms clouds. From the clouds, the water again comes down to the earth as rain. This way, the water keeps on moving in a cycle and we use and reuse this water. To understand this first, we should be aware of the terms evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Let us see one by one. Evaporation. As we give heat to a vessel containing water, the water starts boiling and the steam comes out. The same way, the sun heats up the waters in the water bodies on the earth and converts them into water vapor. Thus, the process of turning from liquid to vapor or gas is called evaporation. In other terms, the water is converted to water vapor and that process is called evaporation. Condensation. As the vapor rises up and touches any cool body, water droplets are formed. The same way, the water vapor which rises up the atmosphere becomes cool and changed into water droplets and forms clouds. Thus, the process by which water vapor in the air is changed to liquid water is called condensation. That is, the conversion of the water vapor to water droplets is called condensation. Precipitation. As the water droplets collect together, they falls down. The same way, in the clouds, the water droplets falls down in the form of rain due to gravitational pull. Thus, the process by which the condensed water falls under gravitational pull from clouds is called precipitation. Thus, with all these processes, the water is recycled. The water on the earth rotates in a cycle is called water cycle. Due to evaporation, the water rises up and condenses and comes back as precipitants. This is called water cycle. Points to remember. The process of turning from liquid to vapor is called evaporation. The process by which water vapor in the air is changed to liquid water is called condensation. The process by which the condensed water falls under gravitational pull from clouds is called precipitation. The water on the earth rotates in a cycle called the water cycle. Words to learn. Evaporation. E V A P O R A T I O-N. Evaporation. Condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N. Condensation. Precipitation. P-R-E-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Precipitation. Water cycle. W-A-T-E-R-C-Y-C-L-E. Water cycle. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Water vapor. W-A-T-E-R-V-A-P-O-U-R. Water vapor. Now, question time. The water vapor raises up and forms dash. Clouds. Very good. The sun heats up the water in the water bodies. Very good. From the clouds, the water comes to the earth as rain. Very good. Water on earth rotates in a cycle called the water cycle. Well done, children. Do you know water can change from solid to gas without becoming liquid first? If you know the answer, please let me know in the comment below.